Take a ride in the 2019 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, power liftgate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, security system, fog lights, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, trip computer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.